Making affordable preschool more widely available. The latest effort comes in Choa Chu Kang. Operator Iyad Perdaus had expanded its branch there, nearly doubling capacity to 172 children.
But with 300 children waitlisted in the area, that's still not enough. So a further expansion will take place in February. The branch will also offer infant care.
As one of about 24 partner operators in Singapore, Iyad Perdaus gets funding from the government to keep fees affordable. Monthly childcare fees are capped at $800, and for infant care, it's $1,400.
Iyad Perdaus is a division of Perdaus, a Muslim voluntary welfare organization. It has branches in Choa Chu Kang, Jurong and Hougang.
Our overall wait list for Iyad Group, it has gone beyond 1,000. So we hope to have a new expansion of new centres so that we can offer more placement to the parents.
I think the idea is also to give every child the opportunity as you provide subsidies and minimize the barriers to entry to affordable childcare. We also encourage the community to also start childcare exposure early because it goes beyond just academic development. But if you look at it holistically, you want social engagement, you want to bring in value systems and so forth.